friends, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my sun-kissed skin and faux freckle tutorial because it's almost like officially summer. Some people feel like May is summer. I feel like May is like right in between spring and summer. Sprummer, if you will. But anyways, we are going to be doing this tutorial because I feel like it's time. It's sunny, it's warm, and I'm ready. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to be showing you how to get this, not this, because this is just my face, but I'm going to show you how to do the faux freckle and like self-tan kind of minimal makeup look right now. So of course we are going to go ahead and start with our primer. I'm going to use my NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer because in the summer it's all about that glow and that dew, and this is my favorite dewy primer. I'm almost out of it. This has been very well loved. It is almost empty. Okay, when your skin is tacky, then it's all the way rubbed in. So now we're going to start with a light BB cream and some concealer. So I have used a little bit of fake tan the last few days, so I'm a little bit tanner than I was previously, so I'm not going to be using the super light shades that I was using before. I know that I still look super pale, but I promise I was more pale. But I just want a light BB cream for my skin, and I'm going to cover my acne with some concealer. I know that this might look bad to some of you, but actually I'm feeling pretty good about my skin right now. These are mostly scars, not active breakouts, so I've actually been feeling like it's like doing a little bit better. I know it's not going to go away till after my son is born, but I feel like, you know, I could actually be okay with like not having a full coverage look on. So for concealer, I'm using my Physicians Formula Insta Ready Full Coverage Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers in the summer because it does have that coverage, but it's not cakey. So it's actually just a really nice formula. And it's not any lighter than what my skin is right now, so it's not going to really add anything too light to the fake tan I have on right now. And I'm under no impression that this is going to completely erase the acne on my face. I know this is just kind of the deal. I'm gonna have acne and I'm not gonna try to cover all of it because I don't want to look cakey, but I can do my best to kind of hide what's there. And I'm really just using like the tiniest amount of concealer. Adding that where I feel like there's an issue. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector in shade 3. And it's just a really thin formula BB cream. I'm actually almost out of this too. This is what I used a ton last summer because it's so lightweight, it feels like actual skin, and it wears beautifully when it's hot out. For concealer, I'm just going to put a little bit of that concealer under my eyes. Just a tiny bit. So now I don't look like I have dark circles anymore, which is fun. And for the most part, I feel like my acne is covered enough that I feel comfortable with my skin, but it's not cakey. Now, before I add bronzer and blush and powder, I am going to add my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light Illuminator Liquid Highlighter. It's beautiful. It's so, so pretty. Whoa. Oh, it's a lot more than I wanted to put on, but I guess I'll just add it all over my face. I like to do this before the powder because sometimes it can separate a little bit if it's after powder. It just adds a little bit of a glow underneath our powder products. So now I am going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of powder. Basically, this powder is just so that my bronzer and blush don't stick in funny places. I am not using very much of it because I don't want to look powdery. Just enough to give me like a little bit of a soft satin versus dewy touch. Now we're going to go in with bronzer. I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm with a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to kind of powder the outside of my face, but not contour or really go deep into cheekbones or anything, just really powder for an all-over bronze look. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a darker color and a more precise brush. This is the Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee in Sun-Kissed Snitch. Because basically I want to look like I just came back from the beach, you know? I love that. I feel like it's summer! Alright, and then for blush, I'm going to use my Alamar Cosmetics palette that I just got in my last BoxyCharm. And I'm going to mix the shade Paraíso and Scorcher. I'm going to bring this like all the way up the bridge of my nose too. So it kind of looks like I got a sunburn, but in like a chic way. Like sunburn, but make it classy. And the shade Scorcher has a little bit of shimmer in it too, so I feel like it just adds to that glowy look. Like, oh, I've just been out in the sun all day. Not inside. Love it. Just like a little more. I love summer cheeks. Sometimes I'll add just like a little bit on my forehead to make it more believable. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna make them more natural than I have been the last few months. Actually, I'm just gonna run I desperately need to pluck my eyebrows. Basically just doing really light hair strokes with the ColourPop Brow Gel. I'm not making it like super Instagram-y. I'm just adding the lightest bit of color to shape them. And that's pretty much it. They're just gonna be that way. I don't want them to be super crazy because they don't need to be. All right, now it's time for the fun part, which is the freckles. So now that we have like sun-kissed skin situation, also like super bad fake tan down here. It's like all over my arms. Do you see that yellow? Mm-hmm. That's because I put fake tan on and then put on a yellow shirt. So that's cool. So first off, we're going to do our darkest freckles first. So you're going to need a damp beauty sponge and a brown liquid eyeliner. So I am using CoverGirl in 335. And I like to wipe the tip off because it doesn't need to be so crazy. And I already have some freckles. So I just kind of follow the pattern of my natural freckles. And I don't like them to be like perfectly uniform either. And then I take my beauty blender and tap over it to soften it just a little bit. And these are not going to be all of them. These are just the darker ones. And freckles are not like perfect circles, so I would not worry about making them perfect circles. So after you've done like the big dark ones, then it's time to go in with smaller, lighter ones. So I'm going to be using a ColourPop brow pencil dipped in my little ColourPop brow gel. And that's what I'm going to fill in the rest of these with. And basically you're just going to keep doing that until you're happy with how the freckles look. This is a brow pencil by Billion Dollar Brows in Universal Tone. Okay, so now that the freckles are done and they're looking real cute and real sunny, I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. I'm not doing fake lashes or eyeshadow because this is like a sun-kissed summer look. And I don't really wear those that much during the summer, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Castaway shade. It's really light, really shimmery. Not being precise at all, literally just throwing that on my lid. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Okay, so that's 2 coats of mascara. That last mascara was my Better Than Sex mascara. Then to complete this sunny, sun-kissed look, I'm going to throw on some lip balm and a tiny bit of my Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick in Grapefruit. And guys, that is the final look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new and cool today and are getting excited for the beginning of summer. I am so excited. I cannot wait to be at the pool. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments below. Be sure to hit subscribe and turn your notification on if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. It's at least once a week. Sometimes it's a Monday, sometimes it's a Thursday. Sometimes I get both days. Just depends. But definitely let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!